Hello there, welcome to Suffolk Apple. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of vanilla. This aromatic spice isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a plant with a rich history, remarkable health benefits, and intriguing botanical quirks. So let's embark on this vanilla journey together. Vanilla, known scientifically as Vanilla planifolia, is an orchid native to Mexico. Did you know it's one of the few fruits of the orchid family that we can eat? This beautiful plant produces delicate greenish-yellow flowers that, when pollinated, develop into the vanilla beans we all love. Historically, vanilla has been cherished for centuries. The Totonac people of present-day Mexico were the first to cultivate it. It wasn't until the Aztecs conquered the Totonacs that vanilla began to spread. They used it to flavor their royal drink, chocolate, a precursor to modern chocolate. Today, vanilla is a global favorite, especially in desserts. One of the most popular uses is in making creamy, delicious vanilla ice cream. But beyond its delightful flavor, vanilla also offers some impressive health benefits. First, vanilla is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body against harmful free radicals. Second, it has anti-inflammatory properties, potentially easing conditions like arthritis. Third, vanilla's calming scent can reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being. And fourth, it's been shown to aid digestion, making it a great addition to your diet. Let me share a little story. I once decided to try my hand at making vanilla extract at home. With just a few vanilla beans and some vodka, I was able to create a rich, fragrant extract that added a whole new dimension to my baking. The satisfaction of using something homemade was incredible. Now, here's a fascinating fact. Vanilla orchids need to be hand-pollinated outside their native habitat because they rely on a specific species of bee that isn't found elsewhere. This labor-intensive process is one reason why vanilla is the second most expensive spice in the world after saffron. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try incorporating vanilla into a new recipe this week. Whether it's adding it to your morning smoothie, baking a batch of cookies, or even experimenting with homemade vanilla extract, get creative and share your results with us in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this vanilla journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. What plant should we delve into next? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. Bye for now.